Choice Solutions has really made a niche. We've been blessed to be a part of some incredibly advanced technologies over the years, with Citrix in the early 90s, VMware in the 2000s, here recently with technologies like IGEL and Nutanix. In our opinion, bigger, better, faster isn't going to fix their business challenges. We're looking for something that approaches the solution and considerably different, and we really consider it moving the needle. We've been working with IGEL for probably north of 5 years. Like I said, being around Citrix since the 90s, obviously there's been a lot of thin client vendors come and go, and honestly, as a sales organization, we'd really encouraged our team to kind of shy away from thin clients because really it was a loss leader. It was a matter of that they were trying to skinny down an endpoint, and it really could limit the technology. So honestly, 5+ years ago when we started to have customers that were almost giddy about working with IGEL, I actually was kind of taken back a little bit, and then it's been fun to see since then where we've been able to take the technology and the partnership, and as IGEL continues to evolve their solution. What our customers were so excited about was to be able to minimize the exposure on the endpoint and to be able to centralize and manage that. Well, when the very management software was difficult to use, difficult to deploy, and very clunky, every gain they hoped to realize was not available. And so when customers actually started using the UMS software and realizing the ability to simply deploy and manage those devices, it was pretty powerful. One of my personal customers got a chance to share. They're one of the largest privately held insurance companies. They had a large 4,000 user VDI deployment, and the thin client actually was causing a lot of difficulty in the deployment of that. And when they come back to you and say the IGEL solution that you had the privilege to work with them on made probably one of the biggest impacts of the success of their deployment, that's pretty exciting. And like I said, it's something that, and they went on to utilize the Cloud Gateway and other parts of the IGEL solution. The thin client, once again, a small piece, actually became a huge hindering block to the deployment, and they were able to overcome that with IGEL. And we love with IGEL that we can recommend no matter what solution they're looking for, whether they're looking for a thin client or whether they're looking to repurpose older thin clients or hardware, the solution can accommodate. And the other thing too is that no matter what the business throws at us 6 months from now, we can quickly adapt to that based on their prior investment. That's the technologies we love. That is disruptive, that is different, and once again, all to be simply managed from a centralized location. We love the direction that IGEL is going with from a simplified and open architecture, because it's something that we know no matter what the business changes, adapts, that we can quickly adapt that endpoint investment with that. You don't have to get to that why in the road and to say, do we need to go left with these hardened devices to go right with PCs? It's the reality is we can do both. No matter what the opportunity is, the solution will adapt to it.